Hello everyone, this is Nani Cahill and welcome to my second book critique video on children's literature. So here we go. This is a story of a little girl named Anna Marie Johnson. The family is living during the Nazi times. The Nazi soldiers are evil men who do not like the Jews. Anna Marie has a friend that is a Jew who lives with her family. Their family life is in danger when Nazis go into their house to find her friend. But Anna Marie and her family do all that they can to protect her friend. Anna Marie and her friend are extremely scared, but they show great courage. The moral of the story is to protect your family at whatever cost. This is a story about an old stray dog who ends up finding a home with a family. There is a boy named Travis who hates the dog until the dog one day ends up saving his mom, little brother, and even Travis from a mama bear. Travis and the dog end up becoming best friends and do everything together. In this story has a lot of family adventure throughout the book at the same time, has also the more meaning to look out for one another. Here's a story of a whipping boy who serves as a punishment for a bratty prince. Every time the prince is naughty, the whipping boy gets punished. The prince and the whipping boy run away, but then end up getting hostage. The prince and the whipping boy have to trust each other in order to escape. The moral of the story is to help and trust each other with all circumstances. Here's some pictures. Here's a story of a little boy named Edward. His father was called to go see a raid far away. Now Edward showed great courage and boldness while his father was gone. He protected his family from evil bad guys with his father's huge gun. This is a story for children to learn to be courageous even in difficult times. Here's some pictures. This is a story of a boy named Jonathan. He runs an errand for his mom to go grab a big iron pot from his aunt over a mountain. Jonathan loves his family, nature, and especially animals. Jonathan is not scared of any animals except bears. Jonathan loves to feed his animal friends carrots, breadcrumbs, and nuts. Jonathan is very kind and gentle to his animal friends. The moral of the story is to be nice and gentle to your family, friends, and animals. I chose this book for my future textbook because it revolves around a lot of nature, but especially animals, and I'm going to focus more on the animal part. And I thought this book would be very useful for my two activities. Here's some pictures. According to the high standards of fine arts drama, second graders should explore and demonstrate various design components of a scene, such as drawing a picture from the story, creating light sound effects, and identify clothing items appropriate to the character. So I have created an example for my activity on Bunsey of this standard drama, and I have collaborated a specific scene that I created for my future textbook, The Bears on Hemlock Mountain, and I want my students to do the same, to draw a picture from a specific story scene from an animal book, especially an animal book. They can do nature, but especially an animal book. And this way they will be able to demonstrate what they have remembered and learned in a specific story from a book by drawing their own picture from a specific scene while having fun. They will be able to share this on Bunsey. They can ask their parents to make an account, and they will be able to share this with their parents, school, and wide audience, and will be able to present their drawings in the classroom. Here's my Bunsey. This is Jonathan with his animal friends and sharing his food, and then he is a farm boy, so he has a hat and his boots, and then clothing. According to the highest standards of English language arts, second graders should compare and contrast the most important points presented by two texts on the same topic. So in my second activity, students will pick two animal books on the same topic, such as a dog versus a cat or dog versus a wolf, or whatever. Then the teacher will have the students write down, like in their notebooks, two comparison points and the two contrasting points about the two books that they chose. They will do this in the classroom, and then they will, for homework, they will create a clip video of them sharing two comparison and two contrasting important points of the two animal books that they have chosen, and then they will upload their videos on the clip video on the school login with their names in the books, and then the teacher will show the videos in the classroom with a projector screen, and show their students each other's videos. In this way, they can understand to compare and contrast, and to learn from their mistakes. Students will be able to upload these videos on their school login and will be able to share it with their parents, school, and wide audience.